Alright, what's going on, everybody? So today we're probably gonna start building up the turbo kit onto the Integra. So I'm gonna take my car to my cousin's house, and I'm gonna just bring one of his cars over here since he can't have too many cars over there. But I'm gonna load everything up, all these parts. I got another part the other day as well. OBD1 P72 ECU that's already chipped. The guy told me it's already chipped for, what did he tell me, B20 VTEC, and it has 2 steps supposedly. So let me show you. Just a 3-plug. Should say right here if it focuses. P72. Hopefully it works. I already ordered the jumper harness from OBD2A to OBD1 since I have a 99 Integra, so it's not an OBD2B. So hopefully the ECU works. If not, then rest in peace, my money. But load up all these parts right here and put them in the Integra. Load up that big box over there that's with the turbo piping, the intercooler, and once we start, we'll see what we need, if we're gonna need extra parts. There's parts that I'm gonna need to buy. I already ordered so I already have my fuel pump, and I already ordered my injectors, which are gonna be 550cc grams injectors. So I'm gonna wait on that. I'm waiting on the jumper harness for this, and we'll just see what else I'm gonna be missing. And yeah, hopefully I can have it running within a couple weeks. Good, but yeah, let me just load everything up. Alright, so I'm here at my cousin's house now. The first thing what we're gonna do is do the fuel pump, because I feel like it's the most simple thing, and if I do this I could still drive the car. So I'm gonna first take off the fuel pump cover. So probably for this video I'm just gonna be doing the fuel pump and then just seeing how we're gonna set up the stuff for the engine. So yeah, I'm gonna do this real quick. Alright, so we took the cover off, we unclipped this, we unclipped this, took off these 2 lines. This one didn't, none of the gas came out of this one. This one, a little bit of gas did come out, but I do have half a tank. I don't know if that matters at all. But now, what I'm gonna do is take off the 10s that go all around right here. I don't know how many there is, but there's a couple of 10s right there. Take that off, and then the fuel pump should be able to come out. Right now, what we did is we put the rag under the hose, so all the gas could just come into the rag. Alright, so the fuel pump's out. This is it right here. It's not that hard, pretty simple. It's kind of weird how it goes in because it's like slanted. But what I believe you gotta do is you gotta take this clip off right here. You gotta take off this little clamp that's connected to this hose. Slide this out. We already slid it out a little bit right there. Take off the filter, the pre-filter. So I'm putting in this AEM one. So this is the pump right here. It came with this little harness, but we took off the clip right now and it fit to this one, so we're not gonna use this. I don't think we have to use it. It should be the same. And then it's a different pre-filter right here that we're gonna put on with this. So we're just gonna do that and then put it back into the car. Alright, so while he's trying to figure out the fuel pump situation, I took out the air filter, and I'm guessing this is gonna be the first pipe. It's probably gonna go here. It's gonna go down. So I'm gonna take this off and then try to like put it already, or we'll see. I have to figure out all the piping since it's not labeled or anything. But yeah, we're trying to just do everything kind of quick before sunlight. Try to get as much done as we can. Alright, so this is the first piece, I think. It's right there. Go Auto works. It's really nice. So I don't think I'm gonna put this on first, because once we put the fuel pump on, I want to test it, see if it works. So I'm gonna probably have to put this back on. So let's see. So we'll go right here. And it's gonna go down there. I'm gonna have to take these lines off right here, because when I took off AC, I took it to someone to do it for me, since I'm usually working all the time. And I guess they didn't take these lines off. So before we start putting the piping, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna take these lines off first. I think these go to like under the battery. But yeah, do that before. But first we gotta do a fuel pump. Yeah. Alright, so I took all this off. I just disconnected these lines that were for the AC before. So let's see how I could take them out. Pass them through right here. Gotta be careful because all these lines are old. So these are out. Probably put something right there just so it won't be open. Probably put a little bit of tape or something, electrical tape. I'm not sure yet. Or probably get a plug. Ooh. 20 years old right there. But yeah, it was right here. Took it off. A little bit more space now. And look at all that. Oh man. Yeah, turbo ready. But yeah. Alright, so I have the fuel pump ready right here. We had a little bit of trouble on trying to put this piece right here, this little grommet, into here, because I guess it's a little bit thicker than the one that it had. But we got it in by trimming down the little rubber grommet a little bit. So now it's in, it's connected. So now we're gonna put it in the car, connect it all up, and see if the car starts. Alright, so we put everything back on. Hopefully everything's good. He just put the battery. So let's... What?
Make it fuel a little bit.
Yeah.
Up and down. Turn it off and on.
Let's see. Let's see if we could hear it. Oh, it's not even that loud either. Here. Get it closer so you guys can hear. Just test it out a couple times. Thought it was gonna be louder. It's good. Let's turn it on. Is everything good right there? Is the intake even on?
No.
Nice.
Just leave it. Just turn it off. Yeah.
Let's see. So it turns on. It's making that noise. Gotta see what that is. But at least it turns on.
I think it was the
What could have that been?
going over here.
That thing was loud too. But at least it works. So we'll see what else we do now.